Alright, we're back with another algorithm video. The problem is pretty simple this time. We're just simply reversing a whole number. So we're just going to look at the code and not look at any pseudo or anything like that. So let's start. We just have one function that this is our method, and then we have our driver. So in our driver we're using a infinite loop, so we can do this multiple times. And then we're just printing out whatever the function returns. So our function returns an integer. First off, we need to get the number that the user wants reversed, and then we set a counter equal to 0, and then we get what the counter should be. So this counter is going to represent how many digits there are in a number. If we were to have like the number input of like 1, 2, 3, that would have 3 digits, so that's what counter would be after this while loop. Alright, and then we're doing greater than or equal to 1 because we're dividing by 10 each time. And then we're setting the new number. This is going to be the answer equal to 0 because we're going to be adding on to it. And then we're using that counter in a for loop, and we're using it in arithmetic too. So this is the most important line of the whole program. This is adding to the new number. So what we do is we do the number modulus 10. That'll get the number that's at the very right in the ones place. So again, if we have the number 1, 2, 3, this part of the line would return 3, and then we multiply 3 times whatever 10 to the power of the counter minus I is. So I is set as 1 to start. So in this instance, it would be counter, which is 3, minus 1 is 2, 10 to the second is 100, so 3 times 100 is 300. And then we keep doing that. If we were going to go with this example, we would simply set the num equal to num divided by 10, which would be 12.3, but that gets rounded off to 12. Then we do the same thing, so new num plus equals, the num modulus 10 is 2, and then we do times 10 to the power of counter 3 minus I is now 2, so 3 minus 2 is 1, 10 to the first is 10, and then 2 times 10 is 20, so we add 20 to 300. So now we're at 320, and we do it one more time, and that gets us 321. We return that and then print it out. So let's go ahead and run this in the command prompt. Here we go. So as is for a whole number, we'll use that same example 1, 2, 3, and it gives us 3, 2, 1. We could do any number up to 10 digits. I'm not exactly sure why 10 digits is the maximum. I'm sure it has to do with the hardware. Maybe, I don't know. But you can see this is working perfectly. Alright, that was a short little algorithm problem. Try it on your own. Thanks for watching.